In the summer of 1954, in a one-room machine shop in Augusta, Georgia, the first EZGO golf cart was born. And over 70 years later, it's this spirit of American craftsmanship that drives us forward. With a dedicated team of workers, engineers, and designers, EZGO has curated a vehicle to fit almost every lifestyle. With a blend of technology and innovation, our vehicles are built to last all day, every day. Wherever the drive takes you, we provide the proven performance and little luxuries that turn each trip into a carefree getaway. So no matter which EZGO you choose, you'll have the confidence knowing it was built right here.